It's a twisting, turning, bucking, jumping, slobbering, mean-spirited thrill ride that at best lasts 8 seconds. But is far more likely to dump you in the dirt in a fraction of that.
Good try, cowboy.
It's bull riding. And it's about as far away as you can get from an amusement.
It's not really the craziness in bull riding. I guess it's just the craziness in yourself to get on your first one.
That's Nathan Colbert.
Give him a hand, everybody.
He's one of the men, mostly young men gifted with thoughts of invincibility, who are drawn to this sport of man versus beast.
How many of you are rooting for the Cowboys?
Held on by the strength of a grip on a rope and the power of their will not to give in.
How many of you are rooting for the Bulls?
You got the whole world in the palm of your hand and the devil himself trying to throw you off.
Alex calmly sums it up pretty well.
And when you ride him, best feeling in the world. That's all I can say.
At 20 years old, Austin Barber's been riding bulls for only a couple of years. In terms of age, he's among the oldest. In terms of experience, not so much. But his fellow bull riders are his friends. The bulls?
I don't hate them. I mean, I like to ride them. They give me fun.
Some of these bulls are extra ornery. Here goes.
I guess you just got to have a weird mind to think of him as your friend. Because in reality, you really got to hate him.
He won't hurt you. He's a baby.
And that theme is echoed by Mickey Page, who's only 15 but has been riding bulls since he was 5.
He's an enemy, and you're his enemy. It's like y'all want to just go out there and get it done.
Here's a bull that's only been ridden one time in 3 years.
West Virginia rodeos are nowhere near the top of the circuit. No TV appearances, no big prize money, no health care plan, and fame is a long-off dream.
Pay him off, everyone. That's all the pay window he's going to see this evening.
Here, the gold standard is a silver buckle that goes to the champion.
I feel like a champ.
Well, perhaps one additional reason makes it worthwhile.
A near miss, folks.
Chicks dig scars.
If you say so, Austin.
Man, look at the horns on that bucking bull.
For News Center 88, I'm Dan Hollis.